see them.
See that?
All right.
This is
Look
from
at that hair in the back.
Paige and us.
This is Cruella de Vil. Wait a minute, turn around the back.
Half and half.
Oh, okay. I thought that was
half and half.
your hair.
Oh, I thought that too.
I just now looked at it.
I was thinking, why did it-
White.
That doesn't even look like a teddy bear.
I think it's Katie's wig. It's like half and
Here.
half.
Here. All right. You ready? You ready? Take the top off for me. Oh, what is this?
Hey, Bella, now let Pappy open it.
What is
There you
this?
go, Happy. That's for popping some little tiny bubbles.
Gentle.
Really fit popping for about little tiny bubbles.
Gentle.
Popping little tiny bubbles.
I'll show you what we can pop.
Now, Paige found this on our girls' weekend to LA at an antique shop.
Watch, Happy. It's making pop.
And it was
Watch.
just glimpses of Alaska on it.
Oh.
And so she got new pages.
Because the pages were falling apart, right?
Uh-huh.
There's Bella. First passport. Arriving in Seattle.
So they've made you an album of the trip. The cruise.
Wow.
Paige did all the work.
Who is this?
It's from
What is
both of
this?
them.
Happy and me.
And who is it? What is this?
The airport line.
No, that was a puppet out there.
The airport line.
Pike's Fish Market.
Okay, check in,
There's
making a
Pritchett. There's Kathy and Pritchett.
making a video for Paige.
Okay.
Tell her you like it.
Neat. That is so unique. I love
It's
it.
real leather.
I know.
Wow.
I love it.
That's the
Good
same
job,
store
Paige.
That, Kate got
Good job, girls.
Do you want to be in the
the
video?
movie
Watch
video.
this, Happy.
I know.
All right, I'm
Watch
gonna turn it off now.
Happy.